Hey MC Raptors, on behalf of Raptor Tank, we would like to introduce you to Seihi Kuro, a Macklin Business Institute alumni and the founder of Seihi Kuro face masks. As the number of coronavirus cases continue to rise in America, Seihi noticed an issue of proper face mask coverings. In hopes to reduce the spread of the pandemic, Seihi took her love for sewing, fashion, and helping others and has created a business where she designs, creates, and sells face masks.
Unlike most face masks, these masks can be customizable to your wardrobe. They are lightweight and can help protect from the spread of the virus. The one I am wearing is a Kuro design and I'm just in love with it.
Just like Seihi, you can create excellent business ideas even during a challenging time. So let your creativity run wild. Have a business idea in mind? Do you want to turn that idea into a reality? Need help from real entrepreneurs, business faculty, and student mentors? Join us for the annual MC Raptor Tank business pitch competition that is student-run and student-funded. Like most things, our competition is different this year to accommodate for COVID-19. We will be holding workshops virtually through Zoom starting on September 16th up to our final competition day, which will be broadcasted on November 18th.
Students from any MC campus, including online, and any major are welcome to join. Did we mention participants will be competing for seed money over $2,500 to help grow their business? So what are you waiting for? Go to the link down below to sign up. For more questions, you can follow us on our social media accounts or contact us by email at mcraptortank@gmail.com. I can't wait to meet all of you and to hear your great ideas. Thank you for watching.